These are dye-sensitized cells, and they're comprised of a light-sensitive type of dye, which is sandwiched between an anode and a cathode, right? And the anode is made out of a transparent material, so this titanium dioxide is transparent. And the dye is a complex compound that is very light sensitive, and which generates the electrical power, right? So the example of what these dye sensitizers look like, well, they can come in many different colors, right? Now, I can see architects liking a product like this. Because generally, they don't seem to like solar panels because they affect the way the house looks, especially if it's not, the way the panel is not integrated into the building design, right? And they don't have much, they generally always come in bluish or dark black. But with these dyes, solar panels, they come in many different colors, which gives them a lot more options. Architects choose to look at the building, right? Now, what are the attributes of the dye-sensitized cell? They're cheap in cost. They have a much lower efficiency. One of the drawbacks is they cannot be used in all environments. For example, cold climates, the dye will actually start to freeze, right? Over time, they degrade, which is a drawback to that, right? But the benefit is they can come in several different colors. There's also a different type of solar cell, which is an organic solar cell, which is basically a polymer of plastic. So imagine now, instead of dealing with a crystalline structure, as we talked about with the silicone, which is rigid and breakable and not very flexible, it's crystalline. With the organic solar cells, it's basically a polymer of plastic. So now it can be put on very flexible sheets, and basically you can put it on to any form of structure. You can put it around basically a lamp post, and you can make an entire post actually solar post you can make that. So imagine what application you can use for that. Wi-Fi stations could have a post that has this solar cell wrapped around it generating power. And the organic solar cells are very cost effective as well. They're highly flexible. The efficiency is low. The stability is not as high as crystalline, but the strength is not as high as either. It has low strength, right? But the big benefit with the organic is that it's flexibility. This is the example. You can bend it. If you look at that, it's a type of plastic polymer. Transparent PV cells. This is a big revolution, because imagine now you can make a solar cell that's transparent. Crystalline solar cells would have an efficiency like maybe 15 to 20%, right? These would probably have about 4%, 4 or 5%. But if you have it on a location that's never been used, that's not been used, so they generally put it on roof spaces or ground mounted, right? But imagine an entire building, a building like this, replace all the glass windows with a transparent PV cell. Then all of a sudden now this building becomes a power plant. So the power plant of the future of buildings, right? So even though the percentage of the efficiency is low, 4%, but there's a large space to be captured, so you can then generate a lot of power. Right? So the power plants of the future are buildings, and that's a revolutionary thing, because it doesn't need to have, you don't need to have these big plants located somewhere far away from where the power is actually being used. You can have it right close to where the power is actually being used, which helps in the efficiency of transporting electric energy.